Yo, good afternoon. We had cars and coffee yesterday, had the baby reveal yesterday, went out and took photos everywhere. This thing is being loved to death, but it's time for a wash. So we're gonna wash it today, and you guys are coming along with me. Alright, so me personally, I always start with the inside, get a good vac going. Thankfully with the sussy metal mats, it's like very easy to keep the inside clean. Got to do the frunk as well. Now that the inside's good, by the way, it's super easy if I just like do this every time I drive it, so I don't have to clean it a whole lot ever, if that makes sense. Now we're gonna clean the outside, just simple wash. Let's get into it. I don't know if you guys know this about me. Your boy fucking loves coffee. So every morning, almost every morning, I'll make a French press coffee, or I have a little mocha espresso maker. Fucking love coffee, dude. Drink this shit since a kid. Have one every morning. It's really nice, dude. I've made it like a part of my morning routine. So highly would suggest, if you guys have not tried coffee, to go ahead and try some. And if you guys do like coffee, experiment. I used to just drink Keurig shit all the time. French press, homemade espressos, exponentially better. All right, car's scrubbed down. Just time to rinse it off. I'm hoping some of the lighting from this video will be pretty cool. I have the Dream Filter Cine Dream Effects lens on my camera that I got because I wanted to learn how to shoot my own car, but I left it on for the video because it's a nice day out and it should make some of the shots pretty cool. We're getting ready to dry the car. Duh. I always use a leaf blower. This gas one is so perfect, one of the backpack ones. Car doesn't have to be like perfectly ceramic coated for this to work. I just prefer this than dragging a towel all over the car, so give it a try if you haven't yet. I absolutely hate loud noises. Vacuum cleaners, leaf blowers, or like repetitive noises like a fire alarm, you know? Some of the cheese burns in the bottom of the oven and the fire alarm. Loud and repetitive. That's a no for me. So I always wear AirPods instead of ear protection, like doing wheel repair and shit too. Lots of loud noises. AirPod Pros, best thing that's ever happened to me and my hearing. Out of gas. She's dry. all I've got to do left is like go in, wipe down the door jambs. There's some extra like gum or sap and shit around the car. Right here, I got to get that shit off. And there, I got most of it down there. A little bit more of it right there. Kind of looks like that's in the paint. I hope it's on it. We'll find out. And just a little bit back here. But for the most part, dude, this thing is so clean now. It doesn't take a lot. Oh my gosh. Like whether it's your room or your car or your house, if you just upkeep it, if you just keep it up, you only have to do a little bit each time. I'm a little OCD. I do that a little bit over the top, but hey, my shit stays clean. So when I bought the car, I don't even know if I have any pictures or posted any pictures or showed you guys, but my whole aero kit was black and the front lip was cracked. First of all, huge shout out to Mike for paint matching everything, but my front lip was cracked. I had Mike repair that like before he painted it. Long story short, I went and played disc golf the other day, took the fun car, took the red car, and I cracked it again, but I did a little repair on it, a little DIY repair. Came out great, like for the most part. The lip's in one piece. I'm not worried about a little crack, like it is what it is. If I have $200 in the future, we'll get a new lip and have Mike paint match it. Fuck, I want my coffee. Alright, I have a busy week ahead. A very busy week ahead. But I'm very excited for this week. Today is Monday. Gotta get all the cleaning shit out the way. Tuesday, tomorrow evening, I'm getting the car tinted. Shout out to Cameron. He's done the Skyline and he did the E90. He's like the go-to tint guy. Mobile in Raleigh. If you guys need a tint guy, tint plug, hit me up. He comes out to your house and does it and does amazing work. So I'm getting it tinted tomorrow. We're matching the Skyline, dude. I figured if anything below 35 is illegal, why not go pretty dark? Few key differences with the red car compared to the Skyline with that amount of tint, which 5 all the way around, 20 on the shield. I now have 2 headlights, count them, not 1 but 2 headlights, and they're both LEDs or HIDs. The Skyline, I had 1 headlight because the headlight cover, and it was the regular xenon bulb. So anyways, tint tomorrow, that's beyond hype. Wednesday, I have the dash cam install. Let me get that. As I told you guys before, I'm not playing around. We're not gonna do it. If you don't have a dash cam and you care about your shit, go get a dash cam. I didn't feel this before when I had the R32. I didn't know this, so go get a dash cam right now. Spend 150 to 350 bucks. Get you a dash cam. I went with the Van True N4. I can do like a whole review on this in the future if you guys want me to. Oh my god. It's all boxed up, fuck it. But this system has a front 4K camera, a rear 1080p, and then interior 1080p. So full coverage, parking detection, so if somebody dings your car, like tries to break in or anything, there's all of that. But front, rear, interior, hella features. So getting this installed Wednesday at 11, and then on Thursday, you guys are aware that I'm just not a fan of the black on this car. The stone guards, these things, and the mirror cap, these things. I'm getting my boy Cody, who used to detail for another company back in the day, left, started his own detailing company. I'm having him come out, steam off the stone guards, and then do a full paint correction and ceramic coat and take off the mirror caps as well. So beyond excited for that happening Thursday. That is gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys like this little bit different style of video. I don't know if any of you guys or any of your girlfriends watch Emma Chamberlain, but she dropped a video somewhat like this one, where it's just documenting. It's more of like a home movie. It's more of like a documenting the process. And that's always been my favorite part about YouTube. So we're gonna try this video today. It's definitely fun to shoot like this and to switch it up. So anyways, that is gonna be it. Red car is looking so good. So excited for this week and so much more to come in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, I appreciate you for watching, genuinely. If you've made it this far in the video, I appreciate you. All right, this has been Fitz Miller, the red car, back here with another video, and we will see you guys in the next one. Peace.